Got an interesting one today. I've got a couple of pieces of olive wood chucked up here. Gonna be doing a bandit kit on this one. Gonna be doing an inlay on both ends here that I've done before with turquoise stone, but I'm also gonna be adding in some gold foil as I inlay the turquoise stones. So that's gonna be an interesting addition to this bandit kit, adding that gold inlay to the turquoise stone there. A little bit more time and effort and expense, but I think it's going to be a fun addition overall. Doing this as a special treat, as a gift. John Hewlin ordered these. He's got the Relationships and Revenue podcast. He orders up a couple of these every month and gives those out to people that are on his podcast. It's really neat, but this is going to be a personal gift that he is giving away. So we're going to get these turned up for him right now. Got the blue stone and gold flake inlaid into my barrels here. So now I just got to finish turning these the rest of the way true to the bushings. I just got a new set of bushings, so the last set that I had were a little bit undersized, so I turned them to the bushings, and I had to build up a thick layer of clear coat in order to get it to the proper size. But yeah, I got that gold inlay in there. I think that looks pretty good. Definitely got it sticking outside of where it's going to end up, but you'll see that'll all turn away and stuff. I got it done on the top of the barrel here, and then I also got the cap and bushing center band here done as well, gold, turquoise, and glow powder in there too. Just going to get this turned up. Hope you guys don't mind me time-lapsing putting that together. I'm finding that if I use the time-lapse, I don't feel quite as rushed, and things go a little bit smoother. Really happy with how this one turned out. I'm going to use the time-lapse with ones that I've already demonstrated how to assemble these, and then I'm just going to put them together, show you guys the after effects. But check this one out. This one's really unique. We've got a beautiful this blue glow powder with turquoise and gold leaf in there. Really, really pretty. Just random sections of gold leaf in the inlay, in the center band, and in the bottom inlay. Really a beautiful kit. Really happy with how that turned out. Got nice figuring and chatoyancy right there. Had to have been a couple of twigs or maybe something right there. Those are very, very straight through. Usually caused by a twig of some sort that would have grown nearby and caused that little section of density. Really pretty pen. This one had some cracks in it. I had to fill some cracks in this dark section here, this knot. It had a section that right there, ooh, caught it. And you can see one right there that is filled in. It's perfectly flush, but it did show a little bit afterward. But beautiful pen, really happy with that. I'm gonna get some photos, get that shipped off.